welcome to Room 112, second grade virtual learning. I am so excited to have you in my classroom this year. I am your teacher, Mrs. Dunn. I am going to teach you a little bit about myself, about what we're going to learn this year, about what school supplies you might need, and how to contact me. I'm so excited, so let's get started. Here's a picture you see of me. This is my Bitmoji. My Bitmoji is going to be used in a lot of our classroom so that you can see me even when we can't be together all the time. This is some of the pictures of my family. You can see my son, Miles. He's 5. He'll be entering kindergarten here at Edgerton this year. And my daughter, Avery, who's 3. My dog, Sophie, on the bottom, loves to just run and play outside. One thing that I really love doing is I love running. I love running on a treadmill, I love running outside, and I also love pizza. We have a swimming pool and we're very lucky about that at our house, so I love to swim with my kids and my family. I also love being a teacher, and I'm very excited about the new learning opportunity of being your virtual teacher this year. I also love ice cream and cookies. This is a picture of our classroom. You can see our reading nook, you can see the tables that you might sit at, and you can see our learning stations. You might need to come here for some extra work sometime, and I'll be very excited to show you around. In science this year, we're going to learn about 3 different units. The first unit is Earth Science. Here we will learn about the different landforms around our Earth. The second unit will be Life Science. Here we'll learn mainly about plants and some animals too. And our third unit will be States of Matter. For math and reading, we are going to use the Bridges Educator website. I taught Bridges last year. I was a pilot for our program, and I'm very excited to be able to use that program with you again this year. We will learn how to do games online, and we will also do our number corner online. For reading, we're going to use the Wonders Reading program, and I'm very excited to be able to teach you reading virtually. In social studies, we mainly focus on communities in second grade. We'll be learning about how communities work and the community of Clio. When you're virtual learning, there are some things that I would like you to have. The big things are a quiet place to work every day and a place to keep all of your materials, such as in a crate. It's also helpful to have pencils and a pencil sharpener, colored pencils or crayons, scissors, glue, whiteboard so that we can use it in small groups, and dry erase markers, a notebook for writing, and headphones if it's easier for you to be able to hear us that way. Our expectations in virtual learning. We're still going to follow that same PRIDE matrix that you've been using since kindergarten. Now, do you remember what PRIDE stands for? The P stands for positive. This means think good thoughts. The R stands for respectful. Make others feel important and cared for. The I stands for independent. You can do things by yourself. The D stands for dependable. People know they can count on you to do what's right. And the E is engaged. Focus and concentrate on your learning target. Now we will be giving you a PRIDE matrix the first week so that you can see what this might look like for online learning. There are a couple ways that you can contact me. Every day we'll be logging in Monday through Friday to Google Classroom. Here we'll have all of your assignments. We will be Zooming every day as well so that we can see face-to-face each other and we can get to know one another. And parents can message me either through email or through Remind. I am so excited to meet you and so excited to learn virtually with you this year. I hope you enjoy the last few days of summer, and I can't wait to see you at our first Zoom meeting on September 8th.